Chapter 9 Evil Spirit or Buddha. Many people from near and far turned up to pay their respects at Tulku Drakpa Gyeltsen's funeral. Light the pyre! I'm trying, but it won't light. What's happening? The pyre won't light. At Zimkang Ogma, the Dalai Lama's residence.
Why won't the fire light?
Because he was murdered!
What do you mean murdered? I thought he died from an illness?
No, he was murdered by our own people.
What? Oh no! What have they done? Just leave me alone now! Forgive me! Drakpa Gyeltsen, I didn't know. I'm sorry.
The Dalai Lama immediately composed a prayer in poetic form as an apology. It praised Tulku Drakpa Gyeltsen's qualities and expressed his own great remorse for what his people had done. It still won't light. No, I don't understand it. Wait! Look who's coming. It's the Dalai Lama's attendant. I wonder what he's here for. It looks serious. A letter from His Holiness. This is from the Dalai Lama. It is a prayer for Tulku Drakpa Gyeltsen. Please, read it out. As soon as the poem was read, the pyre caught fire by itself. Did you see that? What does it mean? It caught fire on its own. What kind of High Lama are you? How could you let them kill you and not do anything? Tulku Drakpa Gyeltsen's attendant was frustrated with the injustice done to his Lama. This was the beginning of a traumatic time in Tibet. Suddenly, a large plume of black smoke swept out from the pyre and covered all of Lhasa in the menacing shape of a hand. The Dalai Lama sensed that it was a bad omen. We have wronged Tulku Drakpa Gyeltsen. He has died and appears to have become a raging evil spirit. There was no peace in Lhasa from then on. There were earthquakes, disturbances throughout the lands, famines and drought. These were signs of the cumulative negative karma of the people who had murdered a holy being like Tulku Drakpa Gyeltsen. The whole country was unsettled. The Dalai Lama could not even drink a cup of tea in peace. Out of desperation, the Dalai Lama sought help from one of the most powerful ritualists.
Mindroling Lama, I need your help. There's an evil spirit plaguing Tibet. Please destroy it with your fire pujas.
Mindroling Lama's fire puja rituals are legendary. They are known to be very powerful for exorcising the most powerful spirits. By his powerful meditations, Mindroling Lama would place the spirit on a ladle, which would then be tipped into the fire, burned and exorcised. But as he did so, this time, with the spirit, something strange kept happening. Each time, just as he dropped this spirit into the fire, Yamantaka, the most ferocious emanation of Manjushri, would arise out of the flames and jump back onto the ladle. Another time, as Mindroling Lama was again focusing on the ladle, the Dharma Protector satrap appeared as a mirage of a beautiful seductive female who distracted Mindroling Lama by dancing in front of him. Dorje Shugden left the ladle and disappeared with satrap.
Why can't you destroy the spirit?
I've tried everything. I don't know why. This is the first time I haven't been able to tame a spirit. Maybe it's not a spirit. After many rituals were conducted, and when the Lama still could not destroy the spirit Dorje Shugden, the Dalai Lama eventually realized that it was not an evil spirit after all.
Oh no, I've been mistaken. I've done Tulku Drakpa Gyeltsen a great wrong. He has become a Dharma Protector, and I will authorize it.
The Dalai Lama wrote an official proclamation and a prayer, recognizing that Dorje Shugden was a direct emanation of Tulku Drakpa Gyeltsen and an undisputed Dharma Protector for these times. The praise to Dorje Shugden by His Holiness the 5th Dalai Lama. Though unmoving from the sphere of primordial spontaneity, with wrathful turbulent power, swifter than lightning, endowed with heroic courage to judge good and bad, I invite you with faith, please come to this place. Robes of a monk, crown adorned with rhinoceros leather hat, right hand holds ornate club, left holds a human heart, riding various mounts such as Nagas and Garudas, who subdues the members of the charnel grounds, praise to you. Samaya substances, offering and torma, outer, inner, and secret. Favorite visual offerings and various objects are arranged. Although previously my wishes were a bit dense, do not stop your powerful apparitions, I reveal and confess. Now respectfully praising with body, speech, and mind, for us the masters, disciples, benefactors, and entourages, provide the good and avert the bad. Bring increase like a waxing moon in spiritual and temporal realms. Moreover, swiftly accomplishing all wishes, according to our prayers, bestow the supreme effortlessly, and like the jewel that bestows all wishes, always protect us with the 3 jewels. From then on, the smoke in the form of a black hand lifted from the Lhasa skies. The dying of the cattle, the hail, the earthquakes, and all terrible things ceased. Everything flourished once again.
Wow! This is how Dorje Shugden became a protector? He really went through a lot.
Yes, Nicholas. He really went through a lot, just to benefit all of us.